Want to see one of the most important boards in your entire house? Meet the rim joist, the crucial connector that most people never even think about. I'm showing you the rim joist, the board that creates the critical transition between the foundation and the floor system. This band board runs all around the house, the perimeter of your floor system, and it connects all of the floor joists to your foundation while creating a continuous load path from the roof all the way down to the foundation. It's doing multiple jobs all at once. According to the International Residential Code, section R502, the rim joist needs to be the same size as the floor joists, with specific connection or fastening or nailing requirements in that section. See how it sits directly on the sill plate with the floor joist connected to the interior face? This creates a unified structural system that transfers loads efficiently from the floor to the foundation. Now, for homeowners, the band joist or the rim joist area is one of the biggest places for heating and cooling costs. The dollars can just blow right out through that area. So properly sealing it and insulate it is a really good idea to have a big impact on your energy bills. And for inspectors, always check that the rim joist is properly secured and look for signs of moisture and insect damage in this area, particularly where this area here is very vulnerable. Now later, we're going to see some insulation installed in this area. That's a professional touch that prevents energy loss and reduces the risk of condensation inside this rim joist cavity. Understanding these connections helps you better maintain your home's structural integrity. I'm Ben Gromiko with InterNACHI, inspecting these critical parts of the floor system that keep your home standing strong.